A very good morning to one and all. This is Praveen sir, and today I'm recording this small video for your purpose to make you aware about what will be our post portion completion activities at Mahesh Tutorials. Let me share my screen first and then we will take this further. So first of all, on behalf of Mahesh Tutorials, I would like to welcome all to each and every parent and student. I want each and every parent and student to watch this video completely because you will get all the updates in relation to your post-portion completion activities. The activities which will be conducted in the forthcoming months in Mahesh Tutorials. So on behalf of MT, I would like to welcome you all. At the time of this pandemic, by taking complete charge of academics, we have really proved the slogan, the tagline, Raho Befikar. And now let's see what exactly will be our post-portion completion activities at MT. Parents, to give you some clarity, it is highly anticipated that the board exam this year, which is normally conducted in the month of March, might be delayed by 45 to 60 days. मतलब कम से कम 1.5 से 2 महीने से एग्जाम डिले होने वाला है. Number one. Number two, also there are speculations that there might be further 20% reduction in syllabus. First 30% reduction had already been given to you in the month of July, and further 20% is given to you, in fact not is given, might be given to you in the forthcoming days. So since there is no clarity about when the board exam will be conducted, and since there is no clarity about what will be the further reduction in syllabus, we will go a bit slow now, because since there is no clarity, it makes no point rushing with the syllabus and your exams. So with all the further updates received from the board authorities, we will surely get back to you, giving you all the further updates. Also, when the recent sample papers had been published by the board authorities, there has been drastic changes in the pattern of paper of the CBSE 10th examination. Earlier, in an 80-mark paper, 20 marks were objectives. But this time, these objectives have been nearly around 30 to 35 marks. So since even the dynamic of writing the papers have changed, so with all these further updates, we will get back to you, because we need to train the students accordingly. And also, there are a lot of application-based questions in the paper. So let's see how exactly things will unfold in Mahesh Tutorials. To begin with, our syllabus of CBSE 10th standard will be completed by 31st of October. Now, once by 31st of October, we complete the syllabus, what we will do is, we will divide the syllabus in two parts. 50% will be a part of one exam and 50% will be a part of other exam. And this exam will be called as a semi-prelim. Semi-prelim, which means half prelim. Papers will be of 80 marks, but syllabus will not be complete syllabus. It will be half syllabus in one exam and balance half in the other exam. So 50% in one exam, 50% in other. In this way, we will be conducting semi-prelim 1 and semi-prelim 2. Now, when will this semi-prelim 1 and semi-prelim 2 be conducted? Earlier, it was told to you, semi-prelim 1 will be conducted in the second week of October. But since there is no clarity from the board authorities regarding the reduction of syllabus and your board exam dates, what we have done is, we have made a small change in the schedule over here. Semi-prelim 1 in MT will be conducted between 18th of November to 2nd of December. So between 18th November to 2nd December, एक बार आपने जो 50% portion के ऊपर टेस्ट दे दिया, it's but obvious you might be having certain difficulties, doubts in these topics. So what we will do is, we will arrange for doubt solving of those topics between 3rd of December to 8th of December. The schedule of the same will be informed to you by the respective center in charges. एक बार आपका वो first 50% का preparation हो गया, doubt solving हो गया, it's now time to prepare for the balance 50% syllabus. And balance 50% syllabus का exam होने वाला है from 9th of December to 23rd of December. Obviously, when you prepare for this test, you will be having doubts and difficulties in this test too. So what we will do is, from 24th of December to 28th of December, we will be conducting doubt solving of the topics of semi-prelim 2. So semi-prelim 1 का preparation doubt solving, Semi-Prelim 2 का preparation doubt solving will be completed by 28th of December. This means it will give me as an academic parent, your parents as biological parents, and you as a student a clarity कि हाश at least मेरा एक बार पूरा book पढ़ के हो गया. And obviously जब आपको पूरा book पढ़ के हो जाएगा, it's now time for you to prepare for the full book in the form of Prelim 1. And this Prelim 1 will be conducted from 30th of December to 13th of January. Now when I say Prelim 1, it means it will be a full portion test. It will be conducted from 30th of December to 13th of January. And Prelim 2 will be conducted from 31st of January to 12th of February. Few important points to remember. What will be the activity in the month of March and April? It will all depend upon the clarity from the board authorities. अगर May month में exam होने वाला है, so it's but obvious in the month of March and April, we'll be conducting few more exams for you to build your confidence, and we'll be arranging doubt solving sessions regularly as per your needs. Also, once we finish with the Prelim 1, what we will do is we'll be conducting open house of the Prelim 1 papers to discuss the area of improvement कि हम लोग क्या mistake कर रहे हैं और उसे कैसे improve करना है. Also, in this forthcoming months, we will be arranging for paper presentation, time management, diet counseling, and parenting sessions so that we all are relaxed in this crucial months. Normally, what happens is अपना दिमाग है ना विचलित होता है, क्या करने का समय में आता नहीं है. तो ये शंकाएं दूर करने के लिए we will be conducting regular doubt solving sessions so that we all are at ease. Don't worry, we, the academic parents, are going to be there for the students till the end, that is till the day of the board examination. So nothing to panic when it comes to board exam. This is the schedule of the Semi-Prelim 1, Semi-Prelim 2, Prelim 1 and Prelim 2. Obviously, we will not discuss this in detail right now because you will be getting the update of the same through WhatsApp, the soft copy of the same through WhatsApp. As I told you earlier, Semi-Prelim 1 from 18th of November to 2nd of December, Semi-Prelim 2 from 9th of December to 23rd of December, the Prelim 1 from 30th of December to 13th of January, and the Prelim 2 from 31st of January to 12th of February. Is this clear? So the soft copy of the same will be shared through WhatsApp so that you can all have a look through it and prepare yourself accordingly. All the best, everyone. Thank you for trusting us and being a part of our institution. We'll always support you. Thank you very much. Take care.